Life with CF, guys. Got home from the hospital yesterday, Friday. But this cough is still sneaking up on me sometimes. I've got at least another I've got at least another 2 weeks of antibiotics, which I need, as you can maybe tell. I'm very tired because it's hard to sleep in the hospital, and I actually had to have words with a couple of my nurses about leaving tests that can wait until I'm awake. But I got home yesterday and was able to get almost 12 hours of sleep in my own bed between antibiotic doses, so that was amazing. And then I took a nap this afternoon for around, I don't know, maybe 2.5 hours, something like that, before I had to get up for my evening dose. So again, amazing. And I'm probably gonna go to bed here pretty soon. But I just wanted to update you guys, let you know that I am okay. And yeah, good to be home. Good to see my doggy. I missed him so much. Like, I barely made it in the door, and he was just all over me, and so many kisses, and he was so wiggly, and like, just, I gave him all kinds of scratches everywhere, and I cried, and he like laid on his back with his head in my lap, and I was scratching his belly, and he was just looking at me like, oh, Mama, my mama's home. So we had all kinds of good cuddles and loves yesterday, and more today, and just so glad to be in my own space again. So I will keep you guys updated, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm home and show you what a nasty old CF cough looks like. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.